In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the shipping address phone number a required field in Shopify. This is really useful if your carriers need a phone number for delivery updates, or if you often run into issues where orders can't be completed or delivered because there's no way to contact the customer. By the end of this video, every customer going through your checkout will be prompted to enter a phone number, and they won't be able to complete the order without it. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store's admin area. This is the main control panel where you manage products, orders, customers, and all your store settings. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one, because the changes you're about to make will only apply to the store you're currently viewing. Once you're in the admin, look to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This area controls the global behavior of your store, including things like checkout, shipping, and taxes. We're going to focus specifically on checkout settings because that's where Shopify lets you control what information customers must provide. In the settings menu, find and click on checkout. This will open a page with several sections related to how your checkout works, such as customer accounts, order processing, and contact methods. Take a moment to scroll if you need to, so you can clearly see all the options. Now, look for the section labeled Customer Contact Method, or something very similar. This is where you decide how customers will be contacted about their orders. You'll see options related to email, phone number, or a combination of both. To make the phone number required, click on the option where the phone number is the mandatory contact method at checkout. There will be a small selection dot or radio button next to it. Click that dot to select it. This tells Shopify that customers must provide a phone number when they check out, rather than it being optional. After you've selected the phone number requirement, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom right of the page, and click it. Wait for a moment until Shopify confirms that your settings have been updated. Once it's saved, your checkout will now require customers to enter a phone number